Imagine standing on the shores of an immense body of water, so vast that it feels like you're gazing at an ocean. But you're not. You're standing at the edge of one of Earth's most stunning creations, the Great Lakes. These freshwater giants are not just a wonder of nature, but also a testament to the incredible forces that have shaped our planet over millions of years. Welcome to the story of the Great Lakes, a geological journey that takes us deep into Earth's past. The Great Lakes, Superior, Michigan, Huron, Erie, and Ontario, are the largest group of freshwater lakes in the world. But how did they come to be? Our story begins over 2 million years ago, during the Ice Age. At that time, much of North America was covered by massive ice sheets, some more than a mile thick. These glaciers slowly moved, carving out deep valleys and shaping the terrain beneath them. As the glaciers advanced and retreated over thousands of years, they gouged out huge basins in the Earth's crust. Lake Superior, the largest of the 5 lakes, is also the oldest and deepest. Its basin was formed by both glaciers and ancient volcanic activity. This lake alone contains more water than the other 4 lakes combined. Over time, rivers, rainfall, and erosion continued to shape the lakes, making them deeper and helping connect the 5 lakes together. Thousands of years later, humans arrived and began to settle around the lakes. The Great Lakes became a vital resource for fresh water, fishing, and transportation. Even today, they remain an essential part of the ecosystem and economy for millions of people living in the United States and Canada. So, next time you stand on the shore of one of the Great Lakes, remember that beneath those calm waters lies a story that stretches back millions of years. It's a story of glaciers, ice, water, and time, a geological journey that has shaped not just the land, but the lives of everyone around it. The Great Lakes are a gift from Earth's ancient past, and their beauty and importance continue to flow through history and into our future. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing journeys through time and nature.